either do, cafe, or la. A do is like a small little thing that you like when you catch a soft rain, that you take a couple of fingers, not when you speak. Cafe has also educational points. So every different place will have possibility of an educational section. We cannot move